Mhm. Hi guys, good morning. Good morning. I hope you can hear me. Today I'm a bit late. I'm a bit late because I'm supposed to be done with this analysis by early in the morning. But I'm morning. I'm about to do the quick analysis for you guys. Just in a view, and if you can hear me clearly, just comment down below. You can hear me. Okay. Okay. So let me just go directly to the analysis. Okay. I don't have my other laptop. I'm trying to use it and connect with something else, and then but I'll try to do the quick analysis. Okay, and what the drawings. Guys, can you hear me? Yes, you have 8 people, and I'm in darkness. I don't have enough light in here where I am, so bear with me. But I can see the comments. So I just got directed to do the analysis, and I was here on USDCHF. I advocated for a buy. Let's come to here. Okay. So I'm looking forward for more buys on USDCHF. And can I see, has it market gap liquidity? Please, let me see. Also, if you are joining the live stream on YouTube, just let me know if you can hear me. Okay, 45 minutes. Yes, I'm looking forward for more buys on USDCHF. Let's go long, and that's the view on it today because I'm looking forward for a very swing trade. And also on USD card, also I'm very bullish on it. I had said from the previous analysis, and then we got to AUDSD. I was here. I hope you can see my screen clearly. And on AUDSD, I said that this market has a reversal. You can clearly see it has a reversal overhead, shoulder, and shoulder. And I'm also on 4 hours. I'm looking for the market to come back to this order block. So it's not mitigated. So we are going to go down. We're going to go down. But are they up to that point? Okay, so that's a reversal over here, shoulder and shoulders, and then I'm looking forward for the market drop all the way down here. But the question is, so from here, that's why I'm expecting for maybe buys. Hello, good morning, Steven Miner. Guys, can you hear me? I hope you can see my screen clearly now. And then I'm looking forward for where can we have more sales on this pair and put this market into a line chart. Something. I'm seeing more sales on this pair with a view if IKAV short position on AUDSD and a stop loss there and look forward for more TP up to that particular level. So it has a risk to ratio 1 is to 2.9. So you're risking how many pips? 15 pips to get how many pips? 45 pips. Okay. We got to Euro USD. Guys, if you can hear me, just kindly comment on the YouTube channel because I can see only one comment from Steve Miner. Okay, so on Euro USD, we have been looking for from these sales. And remember when I gave these sales, Zimenda Pole. Shit. Because I gave this sales, I think last week on Thursday or something. Like you can go back to the analysis, and when I said sales on Euro USD, I said sales on GU. Remember when that day when I was saying sales on GBPUSD, sales on Euro USD, and people are looking like me crazy because I'm giving sales on GU. The thing is, the market that's the time is hitting the TP, but has been moving slow. Currencies sometimes they can be slow and annoying, to be honest. These are how many pips? 49 pips since last week. Unless you're using a bigger lot size, that's how you're going to make big money on this. Because using even a 0.1, you'll make $49 since last week on Thursday when I gave this analysis. Because you can clearly see the market right now is 50 pips. So let's go back to 4 hours. Can you see there's nothing? Is there any other block? Oh yeah, there's an order block here. There is left. But I'm not looking for the market to buy here. I'm looking for this market was mitigated. So unless we come back again to this order block, which is visible here, so we can look forward for more sales from there, more short positions once the market just a retest and then we can have a stop loss here. I'm still selling the Euro USD and the GU. I'm still selling them, and then maybe we can target here something like this. But wait for the market to do a structure to look the structure to look like this. This retest the order block, and then we drop. That's the view on Euro USD. That's the view on Euro USD. Doctor, look for me US 30. Simon Murray, clear sell analysis and evidence. Kia, good morning. Okay. And how many people have been holding Euro USD since I gave last week? Let me see. Honest swing traders. Now, this is a challenge. For those people who are joining my live stream, we normally do an analysis that are not quick, rich, get rich quick or quick money. The thing is, some of the analysis they take time for them to materialize. You can be able to see from what I do analysis. The thing is, they take time, to be honest. I want to see people who can be able to be doing swing trading, because, like, we took these trades from last week. I want to see someone tell me, I'm still holding this trade since last week. I'm still holding this trade. Oh, Alex, you're still holding this Euro USD since last week? Uh, um, who is hosting Cripsy Caps? Cripsy Caps is saying they are holding. I mean, no mkono yake. So who else? Hey, this is so encouraging. Someone else who is holding this pair since last week. And USDCHF since last, also from these buys, when I said these buys, nilipeana buys hapa, nikakuja nikapeana hizi buys hapa, tena hizi ziliguza stop loss, and then I'm still giving more buys tupande nazo hivyo. Um, Hello, selling on AUDSD since Friday. Yeah, AUDSD tuko sawa. Selling USD Friday, hiyo iko sawa kama you're holding the cells. Someone is saying they're holding GUD. So now, if you're new on my live stream now, you clearly know and you're encouraged to see people are holding trade. They are doing swing trades, because currencies, to be honest, you're not going to make money by holding 1 hour. GBPSD is kunia pesa na holding for 1 hour. You have to hold these currency pairs. You have to swing them, because for us to be able to cover big price movement, unless you're using bigger lot size, so you can be able to make money with 1 hour, which is not even recommendable. Just use the moderate lot size and take this trade. And this is what we call forex trading. If people wait for 30 days to be paid, why can't you wait even for 2-3 days for us you can be able to swing your trade and be able to hold your swing trades? So now we are on this pair, Euro USD. I've said unless we have a retest, and then but we are still continuing to sell, don't buy Euro USD. And then on GU, you remember when we gave these sales from here and then hit stop loss, came back again, we have been selling this GU, and I've been recommending for more sales since we had a fair swing and a change of character. Let's remove drawings and then come back to 4 hours and be able to see whether we can get another re-entry. The order block is way far for this GBPSD, because the order block is here. Not sure whether the market is going to come back there. And then in 2 hours, do we have anything? The order block is there. So unless we have more sales on this order block, but I'm still bearish on these selling these pairs. And anybody on GU, let me see on the comment section. Oh, someone Crips is saying they're GU holding AUDSD since Friday. So you're on GU sales. I know you have, this live stream has really helped you even in terms of analysis. So you can be able to know, can I be continue holding these trades? Can I continue holding my sales or my buyers, so as I don't find myself on the wrong side? So whenever we analyze this, you can be able even to tell yourself like we are on the same directions. And if you let me know if there's an echo on the background on my end, because I'm not the same place where I normally do the live stream. I'm somewhere and they tell me if there's noise at the background. So on GU, I've given re-entry on this order block. We can only be patient to wait for the market to come back there. And then come to, this is now you have changed. Now we are on EuroCAD. EuroCAD, since the last week we didn't have any view, since we traded these two setups, we have to remove these two setups now. Is we start afresh, and it's kind of raging this particular price. Remember, it's ranging even on daily terms. It's not even recommendable to trade such a pair, since it's ranging too much. And you can be able to see, like, even on 1 hour, there's no any money you can make here. These are fours. Actually, these fours. You see, green candlestick, red candlestick, this is too much ranging. So we are going to avoid it for today, because we don't have any clear movement of this current or this year. And then let's go to GBP card. GBP card, we had which setup last time? I can remember. Let's see on daily time frame. But also in EuroCAD, you remember last week we were still selling EuroCAD, because here we have a reversal, this particular level. Unless the market, and this is on daily, let's go to 4 hours. We have a very big reversal up there. So we are bearish on EuroCAD. Even on GPP card, I'm selling. I'm looking forward for more sales. Let's come to daily time frame on GPP card. Yes, still bearish. Any re-entry 4 hours? No re-entry 2 hours. unless we can have an entry on GPP card such as this. What can you see on 2 hours? Let me see on the comment section. For those people who can clearly see, what can you see? I know those people have taught the market structure, they can be able to identify something on the 1 hour. Let me see on the comment section. Let me see on the comment section. What can you see? Comment below. I'm waiting for the comment. We have around 30 people, and those people watching me on TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel. That's where you can be able to see the live stream from. What can you see, GPP card? We don't have time today. We are going very quick because we are late for this analysis. Order block, someone is saying order block. Yes, there's an order block, but we have a fair swing here. You can clearly see we have a fair swing, and we have a change of character, and then we are going to have RTO. So use this kind of structure. A structure code this way. Let me type it here so you can be able to. Sometimes you can use something like this. SMS, and then plus shift wise plus shift plus shift plus change of character, and then normal use, and then this. So what do I mean by this when I write down? Let me expand it. These are fair swing, combination of change of character and RTO. So these are fair swing here. We have a change of character here, and we have another block. So look out for more sales. These ones are very good trade even to watch out this week. Look for more sales from this particular level, and then a stop loss maybe 50% of this movement. So your stop loss should be there, and then look forward for a setup in a banana hivo, in a car hivo. So that's a view on GBP card. So that's a view, and this is a formula like I've used to have this entry there. Let me put it there, something like that. So this is a very nice pair view. You can be able to view it on GBP card. Let's go to Euro NZD. Where were we buying from here? Order block. We were buying from here from the order block. Let's remove all the drawings and start doing the analysis from fresh again. It's a new week, and come back on daily time frame. This is Euro NZD. First of all, what is the overall trend of this market on daily? I can see this market is bearish. There's nothing showing me this market is bullish. So on 4 hours, so we are going to go down, maybe small sales on this pair. 4 hours, I don't see anywhere we can be able to sell. 2 hours, nothing, no setup. 1 hour, nothing, nothing. I can't see any setup for us to be able to sell. I don't see any order block. I don't see this is just a ranging market. So there's nothing. Let's engage in the comment section. Today I'm doing it a little bit quick. Why were we selling here? We were selling it because of break and retest. The market came right above the stop loss and went down. Okay, but at least we were not wrong with the overall direction of the market. Next thing is where can we be able to have this entry? Remove the drawings. Let's come back here. This is a reversal, a bearish retest over neckline, go downs, and then now it's hitting here. You don't have any view here. This is a bit risky. I don't really recommend for people to trade a flag which is short position. This one, I don't really recommend people to trade like a flag which is on the zone. So let's avoid it. Let's stick to our strategy. Our strategy says that you're not supposed to trade, like you see, this is a zone. These are this is a zone. You can clearly see this is a zone. And this is a zone, even if it's a flag, it's a bit risky. It's a bit risky for you because according if you're not obeying the zone, we could be selling straight from here. Short position directly from here and the stop loss there. So unless someone is willing to risk, but it's a bit risky selling there, but make sure you have a tight stop loss, something like this. Have a stop loss on this presentation. I'm still there. I can't see my presentation. There's something going wrong. Okay. Is my presentation still right there, guys? Let me come back. There's something has happened. Okay, I'm back. Let's see on daily. Do you have that movement on daily time frame? Let's see on daily time frame. Guys, can you see my live stream? Share screen. Yeah, share the screen. Don't tell me the internet is the one that is failing me right now. Someone saying we can see your screen, share screen. Oh, what is the last thing that I did? Someone saying we can share the screen. Which is the last pair that you guys heard about it? I'm asking which is the last pair. Eurocard. So they are saying they had Eurocard. Eurocard. That's the last Euro NZD. Okay. We were here at Euro NZD, and I said on the Euro NZD coming back to 1 hour, we didn't have any view. There's too much ranging. Euro NZD, yeah. And now you can see, I said this on 1 hour, you don't have anything. The market is too ranging, but we have bearish. We are selling it's bearish, but there's no any entry point for us. Let's go to AUD NZD. AUD NZD are showing you this flag which is formed here, this particular zone. For me, it shows me the market is going to drop. And let's see on daily time. I want to see whether the market has really dropped on daily time frame. No, we cancel even if it's a flag. These are previous day liquidity. Let me remove. This is a previous day liquidity, and the market is reacting from the previous day liquidity. So it's a bit risky for us. This market, the overall trend of this market is bullish. That's something I've noticed. This market is bullish on AUD and ZD on daily time frame. You can clearly see this market is on a bullish market, and then this market is back to the previous day liquidity. So you're going to experience more buys. So you can have a setup like this, long position. You see the way I have changed my bias from have changed my bias very quickly. So have a stop loss like that and go for a long position like this. Yeah. The reason I'm saying that is because you can come back to daily. This market is bullish. You can see this market is bullish and come back to 4 hours. Yes, it's reacting from the previous day liquidity. So I'm looking forward for more buys from there. So we are going to have a stop loss of how many pips? It's a bit risky. So you have stop loss of 7 pips. So if you're using a lot size of one, you're going to lose like $70 and you're going to make how much? $500, 54. It's worth it. Guys, it's worth it. So even if you're using zero point 0.1, you're going to lose $7. You're going to make over $50. So that's the thing I can recommend this on liquidity. Yeah. Consider that this is the previous day liquidity. Yes. Okay. AUD and ZD have given advice on that. GBP CHF. GBP what can you see very clearly? We have an order block and we have a break of structure here. So we are going to sell more from where? Daily, weekly. This pair is very, very, very bearish. Weekly, say bearish. But the market is on the previous week liquidity. So this can be risky also because it's approaching the previous week, last week liquidity. Let's come back to daily time frame. That's on the daily time frame. Come back to a 4 hours time frame. If you can be able to catch this bias from here, then you'll be on a good. This is a liquidity point. Let's remove this. This market, one thing you have to know, this market is on a bearish. So trying to oppose it on a liquid this price, so we can be able to have these buys. Actually, they are active, not short long. And a stop loss just below the liquidity here because the liquidity is there, and buy all the way to the order block so as we can sell again. You get me, guys? Active buys on GBP buy, stop loss there, and TP here to the order block, and then sell from the order block here. Short position from here, sell from there again. Now that's the view on GBP. Yeah. So we have the buys and we have the sellers. They are active. That's it. So how many? What's the risk for this pair? We are risking how many pips? We are risking 8 pips or 9 pips. And we are targeting how many pips? Over 25 pips. Worth it. 8 pips. The stop loss is a very nice one. Okay, so you're not going to lose much, even if stop loss is hit. The risk management on there is okay. GBP AUD. On GBP AUD, we were looking for more buys. But why were we looking forward for outside reversal? Let's move over the drawings. Let's come back to the time frame and be able to understand the overall trend of this market. This market is bearish. This market is bearish. And when it's bearish, we have another block and we have a failure and change of character. So we have a failure and change of character. So we are going to look forward for more sales from this particular level. So wait for more sales from there. Short position. And today we have so many analysis. So keep updated throughout the week and look forward for more short position all the way down here. For swing trade, On GBP AUD shares, look forward for more shares from this particular level. Euro AUD, guys, can we engage on the comment section? And those people watching me on TikTok, kindly go live on my YouTube channel. That's where I'm doing the analysis from. Um, and we have so many good pairs. We have so many good pairs. I'm on Euro AUD right now. Just bear me with just a minute. The JP pairs I haven't done analysis on them. Today we have a long way to go. And whenever you start a live stream, you can change the internet provider. Like now, I'm using the Wi-Fi from the office, but it's a bit slow. So while trying to change into my personal internet, it will make me to close the whole live stream. So I'm saying on GPP, you did look forward for more sales from this year. Watch it out. Watch this out. It's a very nice pair. And Euro AUD, where were we looking for buys from here? Um, we were looking for buys because of the head and shoulder and something else. Let's see. But Euro AUD it's on a bearish trend. Let's move the 14 drawings. This market is on a bearish trend. Let's come back to the 4 hours. I see more sales. See more sales of this pair. It's a break and it is you can clearly see when you check on structures, there's no you can clearly even put the market into a line chart. Can you put this market into a line chart? You can clearly see a break of this particular structure, the market retest, and then you're supposed to go way down this way. You're supposed to go way down this way. Now understanding the overall direction of the market. Now we are supposed to go and look for where we can be able to fix ourselves for those sales. Trying to fix ourselves for sales, trying to fix 2 hours, I can see anything. This one I can be able to see something here. We have this head and shoulder which is visible there. I can see for a short position looking like this, and my stop loss way here. So and then target this market to top all the way to yesterday's trade. And then so how much are we risking? We are risking 15 pips and targeting how many pips? 52 pips. This one E11 exactly because most of the stop losses we have is stop loss are 7 pips. Yeah, but we can have something like that. Let's go on 30 minutes there. Anything? No. Yeah, I see that sales setups enough on an evil. Okay, let's go to the other one is JPY basket. What's the overall trend of this JPY basket? This JPY basket is bullish. Whenever you come and see such a setup, whenever you have this red candlestick ended by the green candlestick here on this zone, this market indicate the market is going to go high, 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 high. So this market show me this market JPY basket is buying. So if JPY basket is buying, meaning the JPY they will going to go down, the USD JPY they are going to go down, they are going to sell, and something like that. Um, so now I have a clue. Let's go to USDJPY. So meaning for me, this USDJPY is a sales. It's not buys. It's more sales. Is there anywhere we can be able to look for more sales? We have a fair swing and a change of character, which is visible here. Look at these guys. We have a fair swing here. We have a change of character here. So we are going to have more sales from this particular zone on this pair this way. So I know most of the people they expected me to go buys, and I know mlikuwa mnataka to buy hizi JPY pairs hapa na zionyeshi buy hizi inaonyesha na sales. So we are going to have setup inafanana hivyo on USD JPY. So wait for the market to come back again to here, and then ufanya nini? Usell hivyo. So what is your view? We have around 40 people. Sorry, we have around 40 people on YouTube. I want to see what's your view on JPY because a lot of people they are looking for me to give a view on this. Acha nione kama mlikuwa mna-expect buys RX. What is your view? I'm waiting for those comments. What is your view? I'm waiting to see those comments. Had the same view. Okay, that's pretty the same. So for USD JPY, it's more sales. Just look for and bearish on JPY is very okay. So everybody knows Monenla. There's nothing in Atonisha the market. Let me explain to you something. Mbona hii market venye imeshuka hivi? Hii market imeshuka kuanzia huku juu. This drop. There's nothing confirming for us to buy. We don't have any change of character. We don't have any reversal. We don't have anything that is guaranteeing for what this market is going to buy. So the only view we have is more continuation for more sales, and that's the view. Let's go to cut JPY. Same, all of them, they have the same view. So cut JPY more sales from this particular level, from that particular level. You are going to put that short position, not a long, but a short position, and a stop loss here, and target way down there. So that's the same view on CAD JPY. Euro JPY, same view. You see, guys, they have the same structures. So more sell from this failure swing and change of characters. So whenever they activate, they're going to activate all the pairs. The same view on GBP JPY, more sales from this particular level. And let me put for GJ because I know most people they trade GBP JPY, and a stop loss there. And also this one you're going to use confirmation for you to take this trade. I know you know how to do confirmation for these pairs. So the JPY pairs, I know I'm done with them. So let's go to something else. US oil. Now we are on US oil. Um, I'm reading the comment on YouTube, and those people watching me on TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel. Can someone on TikTok comment YouTube channel live, and then I pin that comment there? I can be able to pin that comment. AUDJPY. Can someone just, I'm waiting for that comment on TikTok so that I pin it. Okay, so on US oil, did we have any view from last week? What is the overall trend, overall trend on US oil? Have you checked XAUSD gold? I give you the last view, what I do analysis. Let me pin this comment here. And this is on US oil. And earlier we actually trade US oil. And US oil pays well when it comes to trading it on a XNS broker. XNS pays well. I'm seeing more sales on this page because we have this various change of characters and everything. I'm seeing more sales on this, more drop, all the way to this order block. We have this order block here. We have a fair change of character then. Oh, so if you are trading US oil, you can try to buy from this particular level, a long position. Something I've seen. A fair change of pattern from that order block, and look forward for more buys from them. And then, oh, we have this order block here. This order block is going to push up the market to this price. So that's the view on US oil. Let's give it a little bit of allowance in terms of stop loss. Has a risk to ratio of 4.9, is around 5. AUDCHF, we were selling from here. Since we gave this, as I remember when I was doing here and Esther was on this live stream, when I said, this various swing change of character. You see the same structures. Let me show you guys. You see this structure here. Even if I put it on line chart, you can clearly to see this structure is the same structure I'm using it to even to analyze the other pairs. This is what we call a fair swing and change of character. And when it comes to this GBP JPY, it's the same thing. You can be able to you can be able to see it. You can be able to see it on USD JPY. You can be able to see this fair swing change of character, the market return there and drop. So the same thing I've viewed on this AUDCHF. I gave the setup using the same structures. I hope you are learning something from that. So in here we have also a head and shoulder which was obeyed, and currently this market is still. This looks like some pair I've analyzed there, and I'm looking forward for more drop on this drop. Let me see on daily time frame. It still looks like the pair I've given, but there's a pair I've given buys, active buys. But this I want to see whether has it reacted with the liquidity? Not yet, because the liquidity is here. And this is recovery from yesterday's liquidity. So I don't know whether I don't think it's going to come and react with us here because this was a liquidity area. You see the market, this came back again here. This is a liquidity area. So, and then we have a head, shoulders, and then a retest. This shows me sales on night. Wallahi, bilai. You see head, shoulder. Another thing is we have this break and retest here. We have a change of character from way top here. It shows me sales, short position from there, and a stop loss, a very tight stop loss here. No, their stopper should be here. Yeah, and target something like that. That's a risk ratio 1:9. This is not worth it because the risk ratio is 1:9. Not worth it because 1:9 ni kidogo unless you work a stop loss hivi. But everything shows me everything shows me sales. So if you're on AUDCHF, I'm looking for short positions on this pair. But I'm trying to check the risk ratio is not giving up anything. Not giving anything. Unless you sell from back once the market hit there. You look for more sellers and then we drop all the way down. Something like that. Let's leave it, but it doesn't give me such huge conference. Let's come to AUD card. Why were we selling this an active one? You guys, you joking with my analysis. I think this I gave this pair last week. Who took AUD card? Let me see on the comment section. We have over 38 people here. This one was active since I did it last week. I give this view on AUD card, AUD card. And let me tell you how to benefit from this live stream. Make sure each and every day to find analysis. We end at work are pending orders. But I'm sure most of people they didn't focus on this. AUD card, even I remember when I gave an emphasis on it last week. Who took this pair? I'm waiting to see the comments. I'm waiting to see the comments. Okay, this is an active trade I gave last week. I gave this pair last week, active trade that I gave last week on this. I don't have any view. It's still active. How many pips down? 23 pips. So, but I'll still look forward for more sales on this pair, more sales on this pair. Hakuna anything. Bitcoin at 68. Hatuna view na Bitcoin because tangu last week nipeana hiyo view ya Bitcoin. Um, I'm reading the comment. I'm trying to read the comment so they can be able to see what you guys are saying. Everybody's typing gold. Gold is the last pair that I normally analyze so they can make you hooked up. Yeah. I'm reading the comment. Just a minute, guys. AUD NZD. AUD NZD. AUD NZD. Okay. And guys, be commenting down most of the pair that you want me to check for you. Let me check. We are at Bitcoin. Bitcoin have said since we started selling Bitcoin on 4 hours, let me show after the club liquidity out the way we have been selling this Bitcoin all the way down. But on today's, I've not been having any view on Bitcoin. Still, this market is bearish. You see, has done a reversal. This market is going to continue dropping even today. And it's not bearish. We have to start. They are fighting two structures. You see, we have this, and then we have this reversal. So the market is still range between 68, this 68, and the market range between this 68. I don't have any view on Bitcoin today, considering it has done that structures. GBP NZD, very good, very good. We have another block left there. Visible, very visible. More sales from this order block and most of the pair they have left this order block, guys. Go and watch them out. These are very clear, good setup for us to sell more sales on this pair and a stop loss here, and then look for more sales that way. And then easy enda work Nasdaq and then US30. If anybody anataka muangalie Nasdaq and US30, just comment down on the below. Kama kuna pia sijaangalia any pair that I have not analyzed that you really like for me to do it for you. Someone saying I check NZDCHF. NZDCHF, do I have it really on my watch list? I'll have to add it. I don't have AUD and NZDCHF. Let me add it. NZDCHF. Wonder. And then you can comment people NZDCHF. Let's me because I don't have a clue of where the market is heading to. I check it from a higher time frame. This market on daily it's ranging, but it's giving me of more buying. It's ranging, and then we come back to 4 hours. Yes, and then we come back to 2 hours. Give me more buys, but this is we still range here. 1 hour. It's more buying, more buys. The problem is, where are we going to catch more buys? That's the problem is. We don't have any entry point because I can see a clear order block. I don't have any liquidity. I don't have failure swing change of characters and everything, but I'm more bullish on it. So Samuel, I hope you have got it. Someone saying check Euro USD. Someone saying AUD NZD. AUD NZD, I have given I think a view on AUD NZD, and I've given you buys, active buys out of liquidity. You guys, it's active with how many pips? Nimepeana hii ni liquidity, ni long term buys because ni ya liquidity. Nimepeana buys hapa saa hii to you guys. It's active with how many pips? 10 pips up. You guys, mnaona vile the liquidity works, you guys. And let me see, can someone just comment how we came up with this analysis? Because this is one of the best analysis tunafanyanga, like this one. Uelewe kufanya analysis hivi. How did we take this entry here? And someone just comment below. I might have a giveaway. Just tell me why the reason, na nimesema actually the reason, because first of all we had this sell setup here kutoka hii head and shoulder, but why did we buy from this particular level? Let me see on the comment. We have around 40 something people live on YouTube. Audience redeem Mashaka Kinywa nimesema mobiles. Someone saying liquidity ya wapi? So you know, we have different liquidities. Which types of liquidity have I given mobiles on this pair? USD card. Check Euro USD. There's someone ana comment sana Euro USD. Mimi nimesema Euro USD, we are selling Euro USD. My brother, we have said more sales on Euro USD, sales on Euro USD. There's no really buy here. More sales on Euro USD from this time frame of 4 hours. Wait market irudi kwa hiyo order block. Since last week tulipeana hizi sales on Euro USD. Nimekuwa nikiambia watu we are selling Euro USD kwanza hapa, but imerange sana, but we are selling Euro USD. That's the view. You can be able to see our screen there. There's a setup. Tumekuwa tupeana these sales na pia sasa nimepeana these sales from this particular price again. You said you sweep the liquidity, yeah. Previously liquidity, yeah. Naona Eric amepata, Mesha Kinywa amepata. Yeah. So what else? Which other pair, guys, you want me to check it for you? Daniel Musia, Euro USD. I've said it's a sell. Any other pair? Okay, let's go to gold. Let's go to gold because gold is my last pair I normally analyze. So when you're on TikTok now, mnaweza kimbia YouTube muangalie hii gold because I normally naonanga mkikuja nikianza kuangalia gold. USD card. Let me check for Caroline Wanjiru is saying I check USD. Morelli Simon is saying USD card. How come did I check? I said USD card. We are going which buys. I gave buys on USD card. Wait a minute and then it will load. Nilikatwa na mlango ya gari bana. Ipeana buys. Na hii pia mimi acha niwaambie. Back then I used to follow, like it was back 2022 when you know these Nigerian guys, I think Jeffrey Benson was trading this pair. He was trading this pair so rough, and I hated this pair so much because, oh my god, like the way you see me right now, and this guy could come and try to trade trend line and everything and go really hard on this pair. It could really disappoint. I didn't like USD the way it moved. So, but anyway, it's on more buys. I better even trade USD CHF than USD card. But I've said USD card, we are going long, more buy positions, more buys. The liquidity, the reason why I've marked this is because of liquidity. That's why I've marked the liquidity of today. Yeah. I think someone saying NZD USD. Before I go to the rest of the pair, screen imepotea. Na mbona inapotea? Let me share screen. Mumeona USD card nikielezea? We have around 50 people on the live stream. USD card nimesema more buys. Okay, and hope you guys mnaandika chini most of the pairs zenye tunafanya because I want you to end. So we are going to be doing gold right now. So gold, you know, when I started saying gold is going to sell, how many people remember when I said gold is going to drop since last week? Tukifika hii level, I said gold is going to drop. And for me, my view, I'm seeing gold ikidrop all the way to kuchini tena. Gold is coming back here. I see gold coming back to 44, all the way to 44. Let's check on today's, but I don't think the market is coming back for today's liquidity. Most of the time I trade gold with liquidity, and today is on Tuesday. Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday. Tuesday, Monday, 22, 22. Yeah, the market, the liquidity of the day is there. And then you have a 45 minutes. And then you have another liquidity being this as the, you have another liquidity at being this is also the first. Those are the only liquidity of the day. So if you're looking for more sales opportunity, I can be able to see more sales on this particular level. And you have to use liquidity concept to take entries. So whenever when we are doing analysis here on YouTube, we use different kind of strategy. You have to know like the confirmation for each and every strategy. When I say liquidity, you have to understand how do we do liquidity entries. When I say order block, how do we do order block entries? When I say like a reversal, how do we do reversal entries? But for our liquidity on gold today, those are the only available liquidity entries we have. So short positions from this particular level and a stop loss here using the liquidity confirmation because the stop loss I can be able to give you a stop loss. The stop loss is given by the liquidity. So once the market comes here, it's going to give you the liquidity stop loss. So that's the views on gold. More shares on those particular levels. Um, Someone is saying highlight key liquidities that are respected by currencies. OB is the only entry point. No, we don't use OB only. Like this pair where we use liquidity. Even currencies we use liquidity. Like there's a pair we have done AUD and ZD. Like this also is liquidity. Look at this. Sorry, and it was a sniper entry. It was a stop loss of how many pips? A stop loss of 7 pips. You see, so if you're using a losses of one, hata kama kuna $200, you're going to lose 70, and now you could be how much profit? $140 so because 14 pips up. We use also liquidity in terms of trading currencies. Yeah. Okay. So it's not only gold I use liquidity, I also apply liquidity concept on currency pairs. And you can see the way it's very active and it's a very good strategy. Um, so on gold, I was winding up on gold. I'm saying like on gold, you can be able to see these are the only available liquidity concepts we have there. The liquidity entries being this part and this part. Okay, so then we'll wind up the analysis. Which pair do you feel like today's one of the pairs? Of course, one of the pairs you guys I know you're watching out today is this buys on sales. Most of the pay even they are active. They are giving us like they are instant active. Like Euro AUD was an instant sales. Currently is running how many pips? 20 pips. Let me do this. This is something I have decided. I'll not be doing the conclusion. The way I conclude the analysis by saying do this and this and this and this. So watch the whole live stream and be able to make your own decision on which pair to take. Because if today I say now, take this Euro AUD, everybody will take this and forget even we had a good pair on AUD and ZD. Someone else will forget we had a very good pair when it comes to trading gold. Someone will forget we have a very good page come trading USDCHF. Even USDCHF is active. Someone will come and forget we have a very good analysis on USD CAD, and you can clearly see the way analysis they are very active. So what I'm going to do is you guys you're going to make your own personal decisions on which pair you're going to take. So kaa chini, sikiza hii live stream, endelea hivyo. Ukiona ni pair gani, kama sasa angalia pair zote tulipeana asubuhi. USDCHF nilipeana because of liquidity hapa hivi imepanda. Iko how many active, how many pips? 11 pips. And that's the reason I like USDCHF than even USD card. USDCHF and USD card, they are like sisters and brother. Easy, they are like one pair. The thing is, the only thing this one naichukia kabisa USD card. Certainly, I'm not trying to spread any hate on this channel. The thing is, trade what you like. So the thing is, you have pairs that really move well. Like AUD and ZD also have given these sellers. Come back to Euro USD. I said more sales from Euro USD. Also, GBP USD. I said more sales on GBP USD. Eurocard have given what is the review on Eurocard? I can't remember. We didn't have any view on Eurocard. GPP card, I think we have given more sales on this order block. Euro NZD, we have given what? I can't remember Euro NZD anything. AD NZD, we have given more buys. GBP we had given these buys from this particular level through liquidity, but I've said these are risky because you're going against the trend, and the overall sales are from this order block of 1 hour GPP. So the thing is, most sales from this order block. Go and watch these all analysis. You're going to give a view of what, unless there's a pair that you want me to check for you, and you can let me know what pair you want me to check it for you. Someone is saying, please leave the video on the YouTube channel. I come later. Visibility concept, it seems you're new on this channel. The thing is, these videos, they are always left here on YouTube. They are always here. You can come back to YouTube channel and be able to see them. Christina Macau Silva. Sasa nikisikia watu wa silver hao ni heavy GT machine. Silver is so heavy, but I'm saying that silver is a bit heavier even than gold. If you hear someone trading silver, but for silver, I'm looking for the liquidity is here today. The liquidity for silver is here. More sales from that particular level. That's why we have and use liquidity concept because we can be able to sell from that particular level. Liquidity go up. Now, and then another thing is, you guys, I don't come randomly marking liquidity. You have to understand how liquidity is marked. I don't mark any zone and call it liquidity. There's a specific zone that check because I can say liquidity is where. And also we offer training in our schools where you can be able to know the confirmation we use, the liquidity, and learn all these kind of concept. And you guys can testify. How is the winning strategy? Actually, you need to get a review from strangers because those people on YouTube right now, these are strangers. Most of the people I don't know them. So I want to get a review for those people who have been joining my YouTube analysis. What is the winning rate of my analysis in a rate of 1 to 10? I want to see from the comment section. One for someone who is serious, who have been following my analysis, and they can tell me what is the winning rate of 1 to 10. What is the winning rate like? And me, every setup we here, we have a stop loss. So mtu asikuja hapa, I nearly blow an account. How did you blow account and we have a stop loss? How did you blow account when we have a stop loss here? And you can even see all my trade, they have stop loss. 10 pips, 7 pips, it depends with the currency. They have stop losses, all of them. So it's very hard for you to blow even an account with my analysis. 10 over 10, wewe umetuongeza mchumvi bana, wewe umetudanganya. It's not 10 over 10. We have stop losses which are hit. We have stop losses which are hit. So we need a realistic review from someone. Someone saying 8. Yeah, out of what I believe is out of 10 analysis, we can have 8 winning analysis and 2 losses. That's what I believe here. So out of 10, we can have 8, and that's what I rate my analysis in terms of analysis. What pair have I not needed? Bucci Benson. Bucci Benson is here. Thank you so much. So unless someone has another question, we can be able to do. King Mersh is saying 7, still okay. Okay. So I think I've wiped up with all the analysis. So if there's something you're missing, just go through the analysis. Utapata pair yako yenye unapenda, the favorite pair, and then you can be able to see our highlight of the day. Cheers, and make sure, guys, you subscribe to this channel. Recommend it to your friends. Kidogo, guys, there is another thing is, how many likes do we have? We need to have like 30 likes from this live stream. I know today I don't have enough lighting. It's so dark here. So the thing is, we have how many likes? We have 18 likes. Guys, hit that like button before you leave this live stream as I answer more questions. As I answer more questions, we have 19 likes so far. We need like 30 likes. And I'm also reading the comments. And thank you for the free live analysis. God bless you. Thank you so much. And those people watching me on TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube. GPP AUD. Let me do GPP AUD. You guys, make sure I like you. GPP AUD. GPP AUD. GPP AUD. GPP AUD. Think tumesana na sales na hiyo order block ya wana. Ngoja market irudi hapa. Iko na failures na change of price, itarudi tu hapa yenyewe tu. More sales kutoka hapo. More sales from there. GPP AUD. I'm looking for the likes. How many likes? We have 26 likes. We need 4 more likes, like button, so we can hit 30 likes on the live stream. We need more likes. We need more likes so as we can hit 30. And the like button is a easy love button. Like button, it's the thumbnail. It's the thumbnail. We have 26 guys. We're waiting for those likes so we can be able to continue. Okay, so we have 2 more minutes. It's 10:53. I'm supposed to end by 10:55. Should I set B on AUD and ZDD? B, AUD and ZDD. Yeah. I don't AUD and ZDD. And I've said AUD and ZDD can be a long-term trade, by the way. Nimesema this can be a long-term trade because the next setup itakujifanya something like this. Unaona hapo. So kama hujachukua itapanda, ikuje tena hapa, ipande tena because hapa ndo tuko na another re-entry yake. So kama hujachukua hiyo entry kwa liquidity, utachukua hiyo re-entry tena hapa. Utafuta re-entry hapo. Yeah, so tutakuwa na setup inafanana something like this. Yeah. Unaona sasa tutakuwa na the head, the shoulder and the shoulder itarudi hapa. So kama ulichukulia hapa, it's worth it kuweka BE sasa. Yeah. So umepata nani? Guys, like button. This is not, honestly, you guys, I'm begging you for the like button, and we have over 40 people, not 30 people, and we need 30 like button so as we can continue the live stream. Thank you, GPP AUD. I think I've talked about GPP AUD. Okay, now I've given this again more sales from this particular level. I've given more sales from this particular level. If you have not, kama wewe uja like hilo video, ujione wewe ni msaliti and you are failing us, you guys. Unatuangusha bana. We want to grow this community each and every day. So as everybody anaweza kuja, and USDCHF pia nilipeana buys. For those people who are on USDCHF, I hope you guys are okay. Pia nilipeana buys on USDCHF, and go and watch the live stream here. And currently is running on how many pips? 12 pips. Another thing is, you guys, what can you suggest? Nikujanga live streams and happy because I want to really fix on this thing in terms of time, like setup zenye nakuja live stream. Naweza kujanga live streams and happy. Hebu nione in the comment section before we end the live. Which one do you feel is more comfortable? The like button is not the ones you are is 100. The like button is ile thumbnail. The thumbnail, it's on the video. Pale unaona hapo hivyo thumbnail hapo hivyo. I'll be visiting daily. Promise saa moja. Saa kila mtu anasema 7:30 am. What was 7:30, 7 am or 7:30? Around 7 and 8 am, yeah. Ndakuwa nakuja hiyo. I think 7 am because I want to start also to put it on the routine. There's something I want to include in the morning, 7 a.m. in the morning. Thank you so much. I hope you use proper risk management on those pairs nimepeana. Make sure you use a stop loss. And let me repeat again, make sure you use a stop loss. Protect your capital. But hizo setup nimepeana ziko sawa. Bye bye. Sawa guys. Let me end the live stream. Nimetoka kuongea hata. Nakuwa ni issue speed anaongeanga the whole day because I'm tired. Honestly tired kuongea. Anyway, cheers and wish you subscribe. Bye bye.